Hello, my student. We continue in our class, and you need to copy, please, this the day again and the topic and performance because it's different activity. Okay. Okay. Date Friday, 11th September 2020. Topic the Teens Holder. Performance read page 10 to 15. Okay. You stop and copy. Okay. You know that. Okay. You please open your book page 10 and continue read the story. The playroom is full of toys. The playroom is only one room with toys. Es un cuarto solo para jugar. In the house, okay? There is a cardboard castle. Okay, it's a castle. Castle, this is the castle. Cardboard castle. On the table, this is the table. On the table. There is a paper dancer. She's a paper dancer in the castle. She's dancing. The tin soldier sees her, and wants to speak to her. Él quiere hablar con ella. Y piensa, o dice, that paper dancer, she's a paper dancer, is so beautiful. She has only one leg. But I can't. She lives in a castle. She lives in this castle, and I live in a box. She lives in the castle, and he lives in the box. It's 12 o'clock at p.m. The tin soldier is still starving on the table. Yes, looking at the paper dancer. Still, he looked the paper dancers. She's dancing in front of the castle. She's dancing. Suddenly, a goblin jumps out the box. He's all and ugly. You stupid soldier, stop looking at her. Okay? He said, don't look the girl, don't look the dancer. Why? She's very beautiful and I like her. She doesn't like you. Okay? Doesn't like you. It's the next day and Tom is playing with his toys on the table. No, wait for me, sorry. Toys. The tin soldier, aquí dice the tin soldier is standing in front of the window. He's in front of the window. The windows blow and the soldier fall out. Help me, little boy, help me. I'm falling. Good. The soldier is gone and the dancer is mine. Okay? Here, bye, let's go. I'm sorry, but the boy can hear him. Okay, and he is good. I'm sorry with that. I don't know what happened. That the solder thing is upside. The solder is upside, not inside the house. It's outside the house. Upside. It's raining. Look, it's raining. Look. Shh. raining. And he is lying in the backyard. Okay, look that. It's in the backyard. Okay, like this. Tom and the maid are looking for him. And he said, y él dice, lo están buscando, ¿sí? Pero él está aquí y no lo alcanzan a ver. Y él dice, what I am going to do? I like it here. I don't like it here. I don't like. I want to back to my box. I want to see the paper dancer again. Someone help me. Oh no, they can't hear me. Oh my business. They can't hear him. Él lo trata de llamarlos, pero no. And she said, it's raining. Let's go inside, Tom. It's time for lunch. Okay, continue with the activity. Look and say castle, Pepper, dancer, Robin in front of an window. This is the window. And you do the people who has the book is okay, okay. Los que tengan el libro lo hacen, los que no lo tengan no lo hagan, no es necesario. No es muy difícil, puedes hacerlo. Okay, continue. And do the crossword. You need to look at the picture number 1 and you complete in the vocabulary. What is it? Dancer, for example. And you continue with the other. And activity page. Look. Say. Look, read, and check or cross. You say true or false. Number 1. The paper dancer is dancing. The globin is jumping out of the box. It's raining. The tin soldier is standing in front of the window. Okay? And you look the picture and you say yes or no. And this is this is to the student who has a reader book. Los que tengan el libro lo pueden contestar. Okay? Los demás no se preocupen. The only activity that you can do probablemente aquí this is dancing y aquí dice out of the box box afuera de la caja. Okay, you say check this or no. The only activity, los que no tienen el libro, la única actividad que podríamos hacer es la primera, que es ver el vocabulario, es solamente verlo, y el número this number 1 and this activity. Only that. Okay? Okay, my student, this is the activity for today about the reader book. Remember that then I asked you about the story. Only, voy a colocar aquí, only the notebook. Notebook. Solo los que tienen el libro lo hacen en la página, los que no tienen el libro lo hacen en el libro. Punto 3 nada más. Y aquí dice off the box. Fuera de la caja. Okay? Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Bye. See you.